I wanted to bring a quick video on a part of the car that always kind of, I don't know, just did nothing for me. And as you can see in this area right here, I mean, it's fine, it's just plastic, but it's always just been kind of boring. So I'm gonna show you, I bought these pre-cut little door plates that go right there. I put one on the passenger side, and I'll show you what I did to make it look a little bit more interesting. See how you can see the SVT down there. Had some leftover fabric from some upholstery work, so really just put this behind that panel. So I'll just show you kind of what I did. Figured out an easy way to do it. I feel like when you open the door, it just makes it, I don't know, just kind of matches everything. That micro suede really matches the other micro suede in the car. All right, so first step is just popping this little piece off. You gotta pull out these two little metal clips, but once you do that, and get behind here, this piece is just double-sided taped on. So I actually kind of just peeled it up, get these clips off, and then I took my heat gun and just kind of melted that away and scraped it off. All right, so once you pop these off, I just used a screwdriver. The little carpet ones, just pull off, get that from behind there. And just pull this piece all the way up. That easy. So for mine, I just took the heat gun. It's hard to do with two hands, but just kind of heated the glue up on this. I'm sure you all have your own ways of getting this kind of stuff off, but just kind of get it hot to the touch. Then took a little tool like this and just slowly kind of just scrape it away. This is probably the hardest part in the whole process. See, just like that. All right, so here's the piece, how it comes from a company called Evergreen Metal Fab. I've bought some other stuff from him in the past, but gloss black. I mean, really nice piece. It actually fits perfect. So here's just an extra piece of the micro suede that I had. And since it could get dirty, I know a lot of guys are putting vinyl under these. What I did is just cut a piece that was big enough and just sit it under here. And I actually just used painter's tape like this, and I actually just ran pieces of tape, I'll show you, across the back. That way, I mean, you can still see it when it's there. If this piece ever gets dirty, all I have to do is pop this off, peel this off, and put another piece down, or change the color, do whatever you want. Okay, that's what it looks like on the back side. Flip it over. I mean, it actually works pretty well. I was gonna use the spray adhesive. That stuff is just a mess and it gets everywhere, and this just makes it easily interchangeable. Like I said before, I'm sure some of you upholstery people are appalled by that, but I don't know, I'm just working with what I got. All right, so a little piece of 3M tape here and 3M tape here. Let's go ahead and take it over. I did clean out the door jamb a little bit just because it was so messy and gross looking. But really just placing this right here and right there. I'm gonna use two hands to put it down and then put everything back together. All right, just laid it down, put these back on, put the little clips. I did have to pop this piece up a little bit to fit that one. On the other side, I still have the PCM out, just messing with a couple things, so I totally forgot about that part. But just line these back up in the holes. Pop that back on, and you're good to go. I mean, as you can see, I think it works really well just with the tape back there. Matches seat and everything perfect.